2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Get a fast and easy price quote today.